Yoga positions for beginners. What to start with?
Yoga is a practice that dates back centuries, with a long history of spiritual, mental and physical health benefits. No matter your skill level or experience, yoga can offer something to enhance any practice if you are willing to put in the effort and dedicate yourself. This article explores the various basics of yoga for beginners, such as the benefits, essential yoga positions and safety tips. Yoga is an ancient practice that has been used in India for centuries. It puts a focus on breathing, meditation and stretching to help relax the body and mind. There are several different types of yoga, such as Hatha, Ashtanga and Bikram, which all have their own unique sets of poses. When first starting out, it is recommended that you learn the basics first before progressing to more challenging yoga positions. Practicing yoga has a range of potential benefits for beginners, which can include increased flexibility, boosted physical and mental strength, reduced stress, improved balance, greater focus. Yoga can help you feel more balanced, focused and energized during your practice. It can also help you feel more connected to your body, strengthening and increasing flexibility. When beginning your practice, it is important to start with simple poses to get familiar with the basics and build from there. Here is a selection of some of the essential yoga positions for beginners. The cat-cow pose is a great pose for beginners as it is wonderful for stretching and connecting to your breath. This pose helps to open up your back and stretch your spine, improving posture and reducing lower back pain. The chair pose is a great pose for beginners as it strengthens your lower body and helps to improve your balance. The downward-facing dog is a classic yoga pose that helps to stretch the entire body. It is a great pose to help release tension in the back and to improve your balance. The triangle pose helps to stretch the chest, shoulders and sides. It is a great pose for beginners as it can help to open up the chest and lengthen the spine. Yoga can benefit both your physical and mental well-being, but safety should always be your top priority. Here are some tips to make sure that your practice is as safe as possible. Warm up. Make sure to do some warm-up stretches before starting your practice. This helps to prepare your body for the yoga positions and reduce the likelihood of injuries. Breathe. Remember to breathe throughout your practice and stay focused on your breathing. This helps to keep you relaxed and helps to center the mind. Don't push too hard. Don't push yourself too hard. Listen to your body and take it slow. If a pose doesn't feel right, don't force it. Take a break and try something else. Follow instruction. Always follow the instructions of your teacher and ask for help if you are unsure about a pose. Don't compare. Remember that everyone is at a different level. Don't compare yourself to others and focus on your own progress. Yoga is a great way to improve flexibility and strength, while also reducing stress levels. For beginners, it is important to start slowly and build up your practice over time. Make sure to always warm up, breath and listen to your body. Most importantly, don't compare yourself to others and focus on your progress. With patience and dedication, yoga positions can provide numerous health benefits. Yoga is an ancient practice that can help reduce stress, improve flexibility, and even boost self-esteem. Unfortunately, many beginners feel overwhelmed when they start a yoga practice and don't know where to begin. There are hundreds of poses, and some postures can be physically demanding for first-timers. Remember to always breathe deeply to help relax the body and mind. And go at your own pace. With the right practice, yoga can bring mental and physical benefits that will last a lifetime. Thanks for watching. Quantum Life Repair is here to help you make the lifestyle changes you want without the guesswork or stress. Let's talk.